Hey everyone, Steve here. Ever find yourself frustrated trying to open a locked PDF only to realize that most tools either require a fee or don't actually work? Today, I'm going to show you a faster, safer, and completely free way to get the job done perfectly. Whether you're on a smartphone, computer, or tablet, this method is designed to simplify your life. Let's jump right in. Quick heads up, this tutorial is intended for lawful purposes only. Make sure that you either own the PDF or have the necessary permissions to unlock it. Attempting to bypass passwords without proper authorization could violate copyright laws and terms of service. So always be certain you have the right to access and modify the files. We're fully in line with YouTube's guidelines here. First, let's take a brief look at some popular tools for unlocking encrypted PDFs. Wondershare PDF Element is widely used for managing and unlocking PDFs. Small PDF is another excellent service with a variety of PDF-related features. Passport for PDF is well regarded for effectively removing passwords. For a completely free option, unlockanypdf.com is fantastic. It uses AI technology to quickly and securely remove passwords. Once again, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Always ensure you have the legal right to access and modify the files. Now let's get into the steps to use UnlockAnyPDF's AI Unlocking Assistant. First, open your web browser and search for unlockanypdf.com. This site lets you unlock password-protected PDFs in just a few easy steps. It uses cutting-edge AI decryption technology similar to ChatGPT and boasts an impressive 99.9% success rate. Once you're on the site, click the red Upload Your File button to begin. Next, you'll be asked to enter your name and email. This is where the unlocked PDF will be sent. Then, select the PDF you want to unlock and click Start Unlocking Process. In just a few moments, the password will be removed from your PDF. Don't forget to complete the I'm not a robot verification before moving forward. You'll then have two options: download the password-free PDF file or receive the password as text. For this tutorial, we'll go with password only as text. But before you download, I suggest watching this video until the end, it's important. Once that's done, you can download your file. As you can see, the PDF is still locked. So, let's grab the password from the text we downloaded earlier. Copy the password and paste it into the PDF file. And there you have it. The PDF is now fully unlocked and ready for use. UnlockAnyPDF.com offers a user-friendly free solution that works with a wide range of PDF documents and formats. Now, let's explore some alternative methods. If you have Adobe Acrobat Pro and know the password, this method is straightforward. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat, go to File, Properties, Security tab, and change the security settings by selecting No Security. Save the file and the password protection is removed. This is a quick and secure option if you already have the software. There are also many online tools available that can help. Just upload your encrypted PDF to one of these sites and they'll unlock it for you. This is convenient if you don't have Adobe Acrobat, but be mindful of online security. Make sure you trust the website, especially if your PDF contains sensitive information. Always review the site's privacy policy to understand how your data will be handled. You can also download and install free software, open your PDF, and follow the steps to remove the password. These programs provide robust solutions and give you more control over your files without needing an internet connection. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials. See you next time.